back to another video. So these are the nails I did in my last video using this soft gel nail tips kit, and I just painted them pink in the last video because yeah, it would have been too long to do the design in that video as well. So I've since done my right hand as well, so I'm going to get these nails decorated today. I'm just going to wipe over them with some alcohol because just to make sure, because I put a lot of cream on my hands, just to make sure there's no oils and stuff left over from the creams, so make sure they're nice and clean. Right, so I've pulled out a foil, a glitter, it's hollow glitter, and some glittery striping tape to match the glitter. That's all I'm using, just them. So the pink that I've got on my nails is Madame Glam's Rosy Nude. I absolutely love it. Isn't it beautiful? I've scraped my knuckle up the wall when I was taking the dogs out. One of them yanked me and I scraped it up the wall and it hurt. Right, so I think we'll start by getting this foil on. Look at this foil. Isn't it pretty? It's like snake skin with like, yeah, snake skin. It's got a bit of leopard print, cheetah print maybe. It's really cool, isn't it? So I'm going to use that foil. So I'm just going to be putting foil. I'm going to do a full cover on my middle nail and half on that nail. So I'm using my Caught foil glue because I love it. So let me get my thingy-majiggy out. I've just got myself a new hand rest. I'll show it you in another video. A pink one, a proper one. So I'm going to need foil glue on this finger. What's that black mark? Can't get it off. Right, so just a nice thin even coat with this foil glue because I have put it on too thick before and it did wrinkle. So just a nice thin even coat on both these middle nails. This foil glue you have to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, so I'm just going to get them cured in the lamp. Right, so this middle nail is going to be a full cover. So, which part of it do I want? I want this bit with the bit of cheetah print and yeah, let's just stick that on. I'm going to use a silicone tool to rub it in. Right, let's see how it did. Ooh, oh, it's not too bad. We're just missing a little bit at the cuticle area. So let's see if we can patch that up. Perfect, I like it. I like it a lot. Right, let's get this next one done. Look, it's stuck to it. I'm going to have to take that off, guys. So I'll be back in a minute. Right, guys, so I've done that again. So I just want half of this nail doing with the foil. So I'm going to line it up the best I can. I'm going to be using striping tape to go up the side of this, so it doesn't need to be too perfect, but as straight as you can. Right, let's see how this one did. Oh, again, not too bad. Just missed a teeny bit there, can you see? So let's get it patched up. Right guys, so I'm going to stick on these nails. I'm going to use this striping tape now. I'm just going to put some striping tape straight up the middle of this nail. Right, so let's try and get this straight down the edge of that striping tape. Oh, sugar. Then I'm going to snip it just a tiny bit shorter than the edge of the nail so we can encapsulate it with the top coat. Right, so I'm going to use Madam Glam top coat. No, that's matte top coat. I'm going to use Madam Glam top coat, and I'm just going to get these nails sealed in just so I know they're safe. I'm going to go straight over that striping tape. You could top coat and then put the striping tape over the top, but I doubt it'd last very long. It'd peel off. So I'm going to get these encapsulated, and that'll be them middle nails done. Right, so that's them nails done. So I'm going to use this glitter. This is stunning glitter, guys. It's tiny hexes, and I find like a nice pink, but it's super holographic. So I'm going to burnish it into this pinky, or should I sugar it? I think we'll sugar it, guys. Yeah, we'll sugar it. So I'm going to give this pinky a coat of base coat. Could use top coat if you wanted. I'm using Madam Glam base coat, and I'm just going to sprinkle the glitter into this base coat because it's beautiful. Right, let's get this sprinkled on. I'm just going to use a swatch stick. Oh, this is beautiful glitter. I got this glitter in a set of 12 off Amazon. It's beautiful. You get 12 different colours, and they're all super hollow. Tiny hexes, and are fine as well. Right, I'm going to cure that in the lamp. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to press it down to make sure there's none sticking up before I put it in the lamp. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp now. 30 seconds. How nice is that? Look how sparkly that is. Wow. Right, that's that out of the lamp. I'm just going to use a stiff, not too stiff, and just to get all that excess glitter off. How pretty is that? So sparkly. Right, so that's that pinky done as well. And it matches that striping tape, doesn't it? Kind of. So on this pointer finger, I'm going to put just a couple of gems. These are from Sparkle Supplies, these little pink gems. I don't think they sell them anymore, but they were originally from Sparkle Supplies. So first, I'm going to put some striping tape straight up the middle of this nail as well. Right, so I'm going to put some striping tape straight up the middle of this nail. But I'm not going to put it right to the top. I've got it upside down. I'm not going to put it right to the top because I'm putting a couple of gems at the top. So I'm just going to hold it there in the middle. This is so fiddly. Make sure it's straight up the middle. Oh, it snapped. Snapped in the perfect place, actually. Right. Let's get this snipped again, just slightly shorter than the edge of the nail. Right, let's get some top coat on these and get some gems put on as well. So again, I'm using Madam Glam top coat. Right guys, that's them finished. What do you think? I really like them. That glitter is so sparkly. So sparkly. I love it. I need to use more of that. It's beautiful. My sore knuckle, ignore that. I really like them. I do. I really like them. Nice, quick, easy set. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I need to get this hand done now. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss any of my videos, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.